You do it. You gotta do it all the time. This is Super Shiny Sonic, and today we are doing Super Smash Bros. Brawl Part 1. Now, I could go over the rules, go over the things, stuff, but no time. No time. Okay. Anyways, it's 20. Okay, you might not notice, but I am sorry I don't have anything to put it closer. But you might have to, but okay, well, sorry, it's just hard. So what I was going to do is I was going to do a battle with Captain Falcon, but I guess not. Real quick, I want to tell you guys I am sorry, and if I had to stand in a longer charger, I can do it. I'll do it next time. I am sorry. I just don't know where to put it. So, I see you guys later until I find a way to put it. See you guys later. Oh my gosh. Skylanders. Go!